popping cork. So, in the bayous, so yeah, see how it goes.
Rhythm and blues. You're singing a song about making love to your drummer. Well, gay guitar pickers don't turn me on. And we don't all get into Donna Summer. Do you happen to know any old Hank Williams song? 'Cause you see, I'm a dinosaur. I should have died out a long time before. Have pity on a dinosaur. Hand me my hat.
All right, first spot. Didn't catch really anything. Had a couple of bites, but I'm gonna head to a new spot right now, and we're gonna do the same thing. So, yeah. Shouldn't put a popping cork, but different spot. Got a fish, baby. Don't know what it is, but it feels nice. Oh, it feels real nice. Feels nice. Don't mess with it. Boat flip. Yeah. Number one of the day. And it's flesh. Right here. Nice little Mississippi right here, baby. A 15-inch Mississippi right here, baby. All right, we're letting him back. All right, y'all. All right, so I caught a nice little one right there. Nothing crazy, but I caught a little one. And I'm finna move spots. Spot's pretty darn good, not gonna lie. All right, here's the fishing. Fish on, baby. Little croaker. Color croaker. Oh, I got one. Got a little rat red, baby. They ain't really full up in here yet, I guess. All right, so this little man, this little fella right here, took it like a champ for some reason. He's really small, but still I'm back. Alright, we got it out. Alright, so been fishing this evening for a little bit. Caught a couple of fish, but I'm actually really surprised that I caught those fish due to the weather conditions. It's been raining like crazy. The water is full of trash. It's super murky. So yeah, but we're gonna go night fishing tonight, and y'all see this, bro? Like normally they just go underwater. I feel like I'm getting like snuck up on. Look at him, he's not running away. He's actually like coming closer. What the world, dude? That is the craziest gator experience I've ever experienced in my life. Look at him. Didn't catch a whole bunch today fishing, but caught a little bit due to the weather and stuff. But I'll be posting more with crabs and all kind of other crazy stuff, whatever y'all comment. So yeah, thanks for watching.
God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy